Hey guys, so we just got to Home Depot, we just finished eating, and now we're going to be plant shopping all day. We're around Tall Plants, and there's a Home Depot and a Lowe's near Tall Plants, so we're gonna be hitting up all of those today, but hopefully we find some good stuff, right?
Yes.
I like the idea of, like, you know, Christmasying the plants with like cute little pots and stuff, but I will never understand why they paint stuff. Like, what is that? Ooh, look at all those fuzzy cacti. Got a lot of really cute succulents here. I love this one. This is what this section looks like. Let's go ahead and check the inside. They don't look like spider webs, they look like hair. I think they call those old man cactuses, or cacti. I don't know how to speak English. So we're at Lowe's now. We've been to this Lowe's before and we've gotten some pretty cool stuff here. So I have my hopes a little high. But the problem with shopping in the middle of December is the fact that they literally have nothing but Christmas trees. But we're gonna still go check it out, and hopefully they have some like house plants. Cool. So my Houston plant friend that was here like after I was here, whenever I found that Hoya, she told me that Hoya ended up like being in the sale section for like half off. So I'm hoping to check out the sale section here and find some stuff, but this is what this all looks like here. I don't even know what kind of plant this is. Have some more Turdiscantias. I think this is a Turdiscantia. It's fuzzy. There's this guy, an orchid cactus. It feels very overwatered, so don't know how well that's gonna do. The basic aglaonemas. They have the Maria here. I know that one's not as easy to come by. Ooh, I don't think I've actually seen this kind before. That's interesting. It honestly kind of reminds me of like that tricolor. Some more orchid cactus. We have the bromeliads and the little like moss ball. Joseph really likes bamboos. I know that this is also where they have like these orchids. They're like really cool. They're like not in soil. They just kind of float. Isn't that weird? These are all pretty cool. I honestly only ever come to Lowe's because I have high hopes for finding some sort of Hoya here that you can't really find anywhere else, but honestly, like, these Lowe's are not that great at taking care of these plants. They have some Pilea Moon Valley. Ooh, I love these. These are funny. I don't know if they like changed the name of this, but I know that this has also been referred to as like the Photonia Freddy. Is that what it says? Frankie, that's what it is. And the leaves come out way more like wrinkly and then like just funky looking. It doesn't look like a regular Photonia. That's cute. I don't think I've ever actually seen one of these in person before. This is a really big Brazil. Look how big it is. It doesn't look like they have anything fun here. Let's check the sale section. I don't know whose idea it was to just like bring all of the plants to the back to die and then put them on sale despite them dying. But look, cactus. It's $3. They have like little nopales. Opuntias. That's what? Oh no. I mean, I guess you could potentially just like try and scrape it off, but it's not good for the plant. That's it for Lowe's. We're gonna head to Tall Plants now. So we're at Tall Plants. I'm gonna go ahead and head in. They usually get their new stock on Sundays, but again, it's like around Christmas time, so I don't know how well stocked they're gonna be today. Oh, they have some Marantas and Begonias. They have a Peperomia Rosso Pearl and some mallow. They have agglers. Oh, look how pretty. I have a ton of monsteras. 40. Ooh, look at those scindapsus up there. Let's walk this way. It's a relatively small shop, so everything's pretty like crammed together, but I like that for some reason. It's small, it's less anxiety inducing, I guess. But look at these Monstera Adansonii.
Oh, look, they got holes.
They're massive. Yeah, they're supposed to have holes. Look how big they are. They're really tall. If I had $60, if I had $70, I'd probably grab that, even though I already have one of those. Yeah, lots of pothos. They have a bunch of round form Adansonii too, so that's really nice. I actually think that some of these Scindapsus might be Silverians. I can't 100% tell because I'm not tall enough. They have a bunch of whale fins in stock. So he just told me that they've got about 40 of them today, and they've pretty much already sold like half of their stock. So come on Sundays, I'm probably gonna grab one. Yeah, I think so. That one? I think that one's my favorite too. Or this one?
Yeah, that one's really nice.
Yeah, grab that one. Because it's like fat.
Open.
Yeah. That's nice. I'm excited. Okay. Look at all the Scindapsus! Okay, so these are actually like really pretty. They're really nice and silvery and like frosty. So exoticas are usually like not this frosty. These are nice and big. They have some lemon lime marantas. I'm excited. Everything's really nice. Okay, so this is honestly where they put the good stuff. Do not be too afraid to come in here. They have some curtsii in here. I don't think I've ever seen them have curtsii before. They also have these fishbone or rickrack cactuses. Oh, the price is on here. It's only $8. That's not bad at all. They also have string of hearts. Ooh, okay. These are 20 bucks. That's not awful. We have some watermelon Dischidia or Dischidia ovatas in here too. They are $8. And Sequoia carnosa. Oh, look at this. I think this is a Peperomia Rana Verde. At least that's how I've heard it be called. And that one's only $6. I think this might be considered a Silverian. It's like, it's kind of has some splotchiness of silver. So these are only $6. And Tall Plants has some really good plants like all the time. Would definitely recommend coming in here. Hey guys, so I am finally home from plant shopping. It's been a pretty busy day. I had a bunch of stuff to do today. Tomorrow I'm hoping I'm going to be able to go to another plant nursery, and every day after that, so go ahead and stick around if you want more of these. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite plant nursery is in your city, or if you're from Houston, I'd also like to know if there's any nursery that you would recommend that I go to that I don't always talk about. I'm planning on hitting up a few like nice ones that I haven't really been to recently, so hopefully hopefully all goes well and the weather cooperates. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me and you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that is going to be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!